Also here at 6, a longtime Garfield County judge arrested in Texas.
According to Austin police, Judge Brian Lovell fired at several cars before he was involved in an alleged road rage crash. News 4's Adria Goins has details on his arrest. She joins us now live in studio. Adria?
Heather, Judge Lovell faces charges of reckless driving and discharging a firearm after this incident on September 11th. Now, we went to his home today to ask him what happened.
Judge Lovell was at his home in Wacomas Wednesday when we knocked on his door.
I am Adria with News 4, and we're going to ask you a little bit about the situation that happened with us. Thank you.
He did not respond to our questions about the incident. Lovell was arrested last week for a series of events unfolding on Austin, Texas streets, nearly 500 miles from his home. According to this affidavit, witnesses say they saw Lovell fire shots in as many as 5 cars at this intersection. Witnesses saying a man driving a white SUV left the scene. Police then got a second call of a road rage crash about a mile and a half away. According to the affidavit, Lovell, driving a white SUV, slammed into the back of a woman's car. The two got into an argument, and Lovell reportedly intentionally hit her car a second time, attempting to push her vehicle into oncoming traffic. Police found a gun and magazine in his SUV. He reportedly told officers he did not know why he would have shot his gun and could not recall any part of the shooting incident. Lovell was sworn in as a special district judge in Garfield County in January of 2011. Earlier this year, he was promoted to an associate district judge. His longtime colleague, Judge Paul Woodward, would not speak on camera. He told me he would not comment until he has all the facts, saying Lovell has not presided over any cases since the incident last week.
Well, Judge Woodward says that it will be up to the Oklahoma State Supreme Court to recommend any disciplinary action.